Okay, so with this animal eye chart, what you're going to be doing is no glasses, no contacts. This is for everybody. You're going to sit comfortably and you're going to put that chart right up to your nose. And it's going to have a lot of little squiggly lines that are like a clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And at the end of the line is an animal. And what you're doing with your eye is you're, as best as you can, it doesn't have to be perfect, you are tracing the line all the way up to the 12 o'clock animal and back down. Now you're doing this while the left eye is covered, and you're bringing a level of body-mind awareness, which means, and this is another principle that's so important that I want you all to practice, not only in this session, but throughout your days. And that is this. Every time you start using your eyes, I want you to remember to feel your body, to feel your body and then look with your eyes. When you do that, two things happen. You open up periphery and you're not putting all of your energy of seeing through the eyeball. That's what stresses the eyeball out and gets you into tunneling. And because you are nearsighted to begin with, you're already doing that at a high degree. And so you need to get more out into the periphery. So you back to the animal chart, you go up to 12 o'clock, back to the center, which happens to be a heart. Then you move the eye to the right and you go to 1 o'clock and you bring it back down. And I don't care if you can see the animal or not. I don't care if you're not exactly precise about staying on the squiggly line. You're just going back and forth. Be aware of your body and your breathing as you move the eye. You go all the way around. You're going to do, now when you get to, this is now, let's say this is how I'm doing this. On this side, I can see the animals pretty easy, but on my opposite side, I'm going to have to tilt the paper away from me so that my eye can see to the left and move to the left. And so basically you're going to go all the way around the chart with the right eye. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put that chart down and you're going to close both eyes. And this is really important here because we want to go beyond the mechanics of the exercise. Oh, I did the exercise. No, that's not it. The exercise is there for you to develop more internal awareness, inner vision awareness, which is going to change the outer seeing. So once you put it down, the chart down, you're now closing both eyes. And I want you to make a comparison between the eye you just stretched and the eye that was behind the patch. This is going to be valuable to you because you're going to start to feel into your eyes a little more deeply, and you may notice that the eye you just stretched feels bigger, more relaxed. Who knows? But there's going to be, I want that comparison. It's similar to what happens if any of you have taken a yoga class, and in the yoga postures, you're doing one side, and then you go, wow, that side is a lot longer. It's a lot more open. So that's what I want you to connect with after you've stretched the right eye. Now the eyes are closed. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open the eyes. You're going to take the occluder away. And I want you to take about 10 seconds and I want you to look around the room. And what you're going to notice is that things are going to be brighter and they're going to be clearer. Whenever you occlude an eye and then you reintroduce it, the light pattern is now going to be different than habitually how you bring light into the eyes. So vision is about bringing light into the eyes, which goes to the brain, which allows us to see. Light is the food. It's the currency that we need in order to use our vision. And when you change the light pattern, what you're doing is you're creating a whole new neural pathway experience that's going to make things brighter and clearer and more open. And it's really great for your brain to have that experience because then whatever mental resistance you may have, that's going to start to dissolve because you're going to say, wow, I just worked my right eye for a few minutes I took the patch off the left eye. I actually see things clearer and better. I might even see things clearer out of my left eye. I don't know. Okay, then you do the other eye. We usually patch the left eye, do the stretching, and then we patch the right eye and do the stretching.
If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Please send your comments to me. I'd love to hear from you.